Hello and welcome to Morningstar. I'm Emma Wall, and here today to give his 3 fund picks is Fidelity multi-asset fund manager Nick Peters. Hello, Nick.
Hi.
So before you give your 3 fund picks, I know you wanted to say something about why you've chosen these 3 in terms of your conviction across asset classes.
Yeah, absolutely. So I do think now when we're in a low growth environment, I think stock picking is key. So I've picked 3 active managers, different styles, but they are all stock pickers. They've had mixed fortunes over the last 12 months. So it's a good mix.
And what's the first you'd like to highlight then?
So the first one is the BlackRock Continental European Equity Fund. And that's definitely had mixed fortunes. And actually they've changed the manager halfway through this year. But the team as a whole is a very strong team. Long-term track record is good. They looked for earnings momentum, but back that up with strong franchises. They've struggled recently because of what we've seen is a strong run in value stocks, and they've struggled there. But generally, I think performance will come back, and they are fundamentally good stock pickers.
What's the second fund today?
Japan, I've looked at Japan. So PineBridge, Japanese smaller companies. So whereas BlackRock have got a large team that choose stocks, PineBridge is a 2-lady team. And Katsumi-san is the fund manager, and she's been running the fund since the mid-90s. Fantastic track record. This year has been a really good year as well. So this is more for a momentum perspective, I suppose. Pick stocks that produce strong earnings growth. Again, franchises, she's less worried about valuations, so as long as companies produce earnings, she'll stick with them. So turnover is low, and as I say, it's a very good track record.
And does she hedge the currency on that? Because in the past, currency has played a real part in returns for Japanese equities, hasn't it? Yeah,
so I don't think she does. Basically, I think the mindset of the team is that the currency returns are part of the returns that you get from investing in equities. So it's more for the investor to decide whether they should hedge the currency or not.
And what's the third and final fund?
The third one is Fidelity American Special Sits. Angel Agudo, who's been running the fund for nearly 4 years now, again has gone through a mixed patch recently, primarily because as a value manager, he's not been invested in the tech stocks that have done so well, but his stock picking skills are extremely strong. He picks stocks that are out of favour, looks at the upside potential, downside, and then invests when he thinks that the chances are the stock's going to do well rather than poorly. He's struggled because of technology, but currently he's overweight financials, underweight consumer. So I think sensibly positioned, and his track record speaks for himself.
Nick, thank you very much.
Thank you.
This is Emma Wall from Morningstar. Thank you for watching.